Welcome back to How To University. Before we get started, like always, hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell, and don't forget to like the video to connect more students to the How To University channel. Welcome back. In this video, we're going to teach you how to check top articles. So once you log into your desktop or mobile, you want to look for the flame button that looks like this that says top articles. All you do next is click that, and in this section you can do people that you follow or people they follow, and you can see all of the trending articles and topics in the niche that you follow. Now for the sake of the video, we're going to go ahead and click on people you follow, and we're going to go ahead and scroll down just a little bit and click on this one here in the gaming industry. So once you click on that, it's going to upload a little conversation on the right hand side. This was posted 18 hours ago, and Playground Game Leaders form new AAA studio, Maverick Games. So we're going to go ahead and click on that, and it's going to take you directly to an article, and this is how you check out some of the top articles on Twitter. If you found this helpful or useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and help us grow our community of students. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.